Good morning, everybody. It's a pretty early one today, and yeah, I'm a little bit stuffy. The weather's been nuts in Baltimore. It'll go 20 degrees, and then yesterday it was 70, and then now it's 32 again, I think. So yeah, there's a lot of season changes, and I have allergies, so it's not great. But yeah, today's gonna be a really fun day. I've been looking forward to this for a while. We finally have the cam for the E36. We just got one from Michigan Motorsports, and it's really, it looks good, and this is a pretty reputable cam, so definitely looking forward to seeing, first of all, getting taught how to put the cam in, and for future projects I'll be able to do that, and yeah, see how the car sounds and how much more power we really get once we get tuned. So I'm super stoked. We already did a little bit of stuff last night, just getting radiator drained and out of coolant, and we're gonna take that out, take the front bumper off, take the nose panel off, and yeah, get everything so that the front of the motor is very easy access. So yeah, let's go inside and see how far we've came. Alright, so there's a lot of people in the shop right now, so didn't film much of me actually talking in the shop, but did get a lot of B-roll, and yeah, we are moving right along. Entire front of the motor's off, crank came off easily, thank God, and yeah, we are doing as much now. I'll put some footage over the screen now, but yeah, we are getting some work done. So yeah, we're lucky enough to use our friend Jerry's shop, and huge thank you to Jerry, Phil and Rick's service down here, and yeah, everything's coming along well, and yeah, let's keep cracking on it.
Okay, there was a lot of noise in the shop, so I'm going to do a voice over this. So you see how there's only one hole in the cam gear for this run, right? If we look at the actual cam from Michigan Motorsports, it has 3 holes around and then 1 hole in the middle. So we didn't have the correct cam gear for what we needed. Luckily, one of our friends had one, and we were able to get it from him quickly. But yeah, we had a minor scary time, but we got the new cam gear, and now we're gonna install it, and everything's good. So, yay!
Alright, so as you guys saw, the cam is in, and we are just putting everything back together now, just reassembly. Yeah, everything's going super well. Honestly, we thought we would have some trouble with the crank. Crank pulley went in fine.
very, very happy about that. And also, yeah, everything was just working. I know the springs on the back, if you're looking at the motor straight, back right side, were kind of a concern as we have the brake booster there blocking it. But we actually were able to get it with no issues. So yeah, super, super happy that everything went well. And yeah, we are finishing it up now, getting some lumps, and then once the car is back assembled, we will have our first startup with the cam, and I'm so excited because it's gonna sound really cool. And yeah, I've always heard my dad's car, the purple car with the cam, and so it sounds like a true LS to me, honestly. And so I was like, no cam, it just sounds really good, but it doesn't sound good. And now we have the cam, gonna get more horsepower out of it as well. And yeah, we'll have the first startup pretty soon. Alright, so as you can see, we did a lot of work now with the reassembly and have about 90% of it done. We have to fill the thing back up with fluids and just do some small stuff, but other than that, she is pretty much ready to go. So yeah, we're going to get a first startup soon, so I'm excited. It's gonna be fun, and the car's gonna sound really good too. So yeah, overall good day. We are going to start it up and then move it back into our shop, and yeah, it'll be good. So yes, I'm super excited. Yay, Cam! Alright guys, so we are in the car now and we are about to hit the first start. You ready? Oh, it's spicy. Oh, it's spicy. Okay, this sounds... Wow. Damn. She's chopping. She's really chopping. Oh my god, this sounds so sick. Oh my god. It's worth it. We spent the entire day doing this and it sounds similar to the 242, which is awesome because that's kind of like inspiration almost. So it is chopping. Oh my god. This is so exciting. I love this. She's chopping. Listen to it. Oh my god. It sounds so good. This is cool. This is really cool. I love it. I love it. Alright, we are finished. We just put the entire front end of the car back on, and yeah, it's really good. It's really good. I'm super happy with how it sounds, and yeah, even just sitting in the car when it was on, you could just feel the entire thing just vibrating. So awesome. But yes, everything went in really well, and yeah, the entire car's back together for the most part. We did lose a bolt for this, but we are gonna get it put back on soon. So yeah, now to get the car tuned with Frank at FS Tuning down in Crofton, and yeah, get this thing right for this upcoming season. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this install video. It's really fun. I had a blast. Definitely learned a lot of stuff, and yeah, see you guys in the next one.